A careful look at this question. Question 35, WASSCE 2025, Further Mathematics for Ghanaian Students. If tan x is equals to negative tan 20, which are in the interval from 0 to 360, you have to find the values, what angles that can be there. Now, if we can recall our Cartesian plane, we have all silly tan cast, meaning that the tan is positive in this quadrant. First quadrant, all of them are positive. Then it is negative here and it is negative here. So as we are saying tan x, we are looking for tan x, which is equals to the negative of the tan of what? 20. So if tan is equals to negative tan 20, that means the reference angle is going to be 20. The angle make with the x-axis. So in this second quadrant, remember tan is alternating within 180 and 360. So if we are in this place, we take away the 20 from the 180 to get the angle of tan. Then if we are in the fourth quadrant, you take away 20 from what? 360. Because if the quadrant is here, it is 180, so we take away the 20 to give you a balance. The whole angle is supposed to be starting from here, come back to its position again. So if I am here, that is 360, 0, 90, how do you call it? 0, 90, 180, 270 in that order. So I should be having 0 degree and what? 360 degrees here. I still have 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees. So if I am in the second quadrant, which is going to be here, and the reference angle is going to be 20, meaning all the way from here will give me what? 160 degrees. That is the angle of tan in the second quadrant. Then let's say second quadrant. Then in the fourth quadrant, I'm going to have this in here. The reference angle is going to be 20 degrees, meaning measuring from here all the way to this place. Supposed to be 360, but we are taking away 20 from 360, and that will give us a total of what? 340 degrees. So looking at the options, there are only two angles which give tan to be negative. Will be 160 degrees and 340, and that will be your option what? C. I'm sure you get the concept of this also. Like I think the full tutorial on trigonometric trigonometry is on the playlist on YouTube. Just check the playlist, you get most of this information. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe.